Creoqode Neva is an Arduino-based artificial intelligence robot. Neva comes as an all-inclusive do-it-yourself kit, allowing users to build their own artificial intelligence robot. Users can practice their coding and engineering skills by controlling it in various ways. Neva is a great kit to learn about coding, electronics, and many other engineering concepts, including computer vision, image processing, kinematics, and control theory. Neva can recognize and track faces, identify colors, measure distances, and move accordingly in 5 different axes, or it can simply be controlled with the joysticks in the kit. Neva is an open source project. Many sensors and gadgets can be connected to customize Neva and to add new functionalities such as voice recognition, target shooting, or even mobility. Users can add speakers, microphone, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi modules, or even add wheels underneath so that Neva can follow them while they walk around. The only limit is your imagination. Creoqode Neva is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux, and it can be programmed with the Arduino software and processing IDE. Users will easily adapt to the artificial intelligence robot, regardless of their level of experience. Both new learners and experienced programmers will start controlling Neva by coding in just a couple of hours. Tutorials and educational guides are provided through CodeShare to make users' experience smoother and more fun. As Creoqode, our aim is to bridge the gap between hardware and software education. Prior to getting into coding, we want our users to understand the working principles and hardware fundamentals of a device by building it. A good balance between hardware and software knowledge provides a comprehensive understanding about devices, and Neva has been developed with this ideology in mind. Creoqode Mini Mega development board is fully compatible with the Arduino software and offers the same technical specs as an Arduino Mega, with the advantage of being extremely compact. Neva is an entertaining and easy way to learn for new beginners, and an unrestricted way to exercise their knowledge for the pros.